Hey y'all, check out this Slingerland bass drum. This bass drum has been out there working it for years, and we are not letting it sit on the sidelines. No, we are going to rewrap this drum in silver sparkle and get it back out there. Stay tuned to the end of this video. We have an extra special project where we take this one step further before we send it back out on the road. Luckily, about 50% of this finish has already been filled in with wood filler, so we have a round-ish shell to work with, and that's good enough to rewrap. So we're gonna go ahead and put the small piece of wrap on the bottom of the drum, and then finish this drum rewrap with the larger piece over top. We are extremely proud of the fact of how detail-oriented we are here at the shop. We take each job very seriously. Sometimes we get multiple eyes on it. We will always measure 2, 3, 4 times before making any cuts or any decisions. This project is no exception. You'll notice we take extra time to make measurements on this guy because there are flat spots on this bass drum. That is very typical with vintage drums, and anytime you hit a flat spot when trying to wrap around a cylinder, it'll skew your wrap slightly off. So we account for that with our cuts, and we make sure we're extremely precise in where that final edge will land before we start the rewrap process. Once everything is glued, cut, and filed, we can reassemble the drum, but not before popping those holes back through the wrap we just put on there, using the original holes as our template. We're taking customization one step further for our customer. In this case, we're putting a mounted bass drum tom holder on the drum in addition to a cymbal arm off the side. We do all this custom work and more here at Drums Etc., the Drummers Pro Shop. If you need bearing edges redone, shells cut down, drums rewrapped, brackets installed, we do it all here at Drums Etc. in Lancaster, PA. Feel free to ship us your projects. Let's talk in the DMs. Let's make it happen.